In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Envato Student Subscription. If you're a student looking for high-quality creative assets, like graphics, templates, fonts, stock video, and more, Envato Elements can be a great value. Let's walk through the purchase process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and how to choose the right plan. First, open your browser and go to elements.envato.com. This is the official Envato Elements homepage where you can explore the library, but for pricing and plans, we'll head straight to the top navigation and click Pricing. That page lays out the available options clearly so you can compare before you commit. On the pricing page, you'll see plans for individuals, teams, and enterprise. As a student, you'll typically be selecting the individual plan, and in many regions, you'll see a specific student price or a student badge beside it. If a student option appears, select that. You may be asked to confirm your eligibility during checkout, which is normal. If you only see the standard individual plan, don't worry. Choose that and look for any student verification prompts that may appear later. Keep in mind that prices can vary by location and taxes, so the final amount at checkout may differ slightly from what's shown up front. Once you have chosen the plan that suits you, click Start Now. This takes you to the secure checkout. Here, you'll enter your billing details and payment method. Make sure your name and billing address match your card or payment account to avoid declines. If you have a school email, it can help with eligibility confirmation, but it's not always required. Take a moment to confirm whether you're being charged monthly or annually, and check for any introductory discounts that might apply to new subscribers. If you're outside the billing currency, note that your bank may add a small conversion fee. Before you finalize, review the order summary carefully. You'll see the plan you selected, the billing cycle, the total amount including taxes if applicable, and any promotional pricing. When everything looks correct, click Complete Order. The payment will process, and you should see a confirmation screen within a few moments. After purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email and access to your subscription right away. From there, you can start browsing and downloading assets. Remember to register items for your specific projects when prompted, so your license covers your use case, especially for client work or public uploads. If you ever need to change your plan or update billing, you can do that from your account settings. That's it. Quick, simple, and student-friendly. Enjoy creating with Envato Elements and make the most of your subscription.